Myself Ayan Pasari and I am from grade 5B. Today I have made a glasses which name is AI Lost and Found Helper. Never lose what matters. What is AI Lost and Found Helper? AI Lost and Found Helper is a smart glasses which helps you to find your misplaced thing. It could be anything, a small car key to an important document. The problem, people misplace many important things daily which cause them very irritation and stress. So to remove all of that, I made these glasses. How does it work? First we need to connect my glasses with the prototype. Then just say that scan all of these things and these are my things. So when I will ask you that, please tell me that where did I kept this thing recently, like where did I kept my book recently. So in an instant it will just tell like you kept your book in the park. Key features of my glasses which just makes them so cool are voice control, smart detection, organized memory and quick access. Just think about that. You will just say and it will just detect your voice. It just makes a new folder for each and everything which it scans, and it reduces all the anxiety and saves a lot of time. Comfort and customization. My glasses are really lightweight and stylish so that you can wear it all day, and we have some little sensors so that you can apply it in your glasses if you don't want to buy ours. AI framework. Yes, it is responsible, ethical and mindful. How is it responsible? It's responsible because it just tracks the users and just keeps all the things private. How is it ethical? We have a biometric saved in it so that everything which it scans, such as your important documents. So now when you log in, this is the home page. It has the option explore features, see how it works and book now. When you click on the book now feature, there are 6 options. You can click one of the options, like I am clicking the green, and I just need to fill in my details so that my glasses can be reserved. In my prototype, there are the options about how does it work, features, why is it special, and the final one, user interface. When you go into user interface, you just first need to click on the reconnect device so that your glasses are connected with it, and then just scroll down and click on this voice settings. So the glasses can just remember your voice. And just think that you have lost your notebook. So you can just go up here and search for it. Such as I am searching now notebook. So here it is. Like currently my glasses have only scanned one, but when afterward it will scan many, it will just show it. And if you want to start the protocol to find it, you just need to click on the find now option. My future scope. What will I add in my future? AI predictions and community network. That means that AI predictions means that the glasses will understand your habit and just reminds him or her when she or he is keeping it over there. And the community network. It shares a lost and found map for each and everything which is misplaced.